Okay, now this is the problem I'm facing here, Alfred and Amitabh and Prashad. If you see the Super X patch, okay, let's say for the Super X patch we go to the order. Let's order now. Okay, let's go to the home first. We click on order. Okay, what you did was it immediately fills up the form. Same with this, when you click on order, it fills up the form. You know, but which is wrong. If you look at figrx.com, or look at mailextra.com, how this company do it is pretty much, you know, you choose your packages first. Now our packages is like this. Okay, you have 12 box, 6 box, 5, 3, and then you have 1 box and 2 box. Now we have this page here on Super X10. Now I want to do this to explain to Amitabh. Okay, now you see the same thing like us. They can choose the packages. Okay, let's say they click on order now. Okay, then they choose the package. It's the same like this. They choose the package. So after they choose their package, it will pop them to the other page. Alright, the other page, hold on a minute. Okay, well anyway, this one it shows that I'm not from the correct country, but doesn't matter. We should have this like the order summary. It opens up bigger. It shows them what they have chosen, what they are getting, then only they fill up their details. Okay, now you look at, just now you look at even this one. Okay, look at Mail Extra, they are also the same. Okay, you choose the package first. After you choose the package, they will give you, hold on a minute. Now you fill up the email, the address, you know, review the order. So you can play around with it. That's what we got to do. So we are missing up 2 steps here on our Super X10 website. Okay, we got this form, which is correct, just that we lack two more things right there, which is the choosing the package, choosing the package like this one right here, 12, 6, 5, 3 box, and to show this one, the order summary, this one, and the description.